Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tipsy Doc here. If you're new, be sure to subscribe and click the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Today we're going to be making an old fashioned which dates back to 1806. This drink consists of just a spirit, some bitters, and some sugar. So it's a very simple drink. It's very alcohol forward. It's not a sweet drink by any means, but it is loved by so many. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that today. For my whiskey, I'm going to be using this Backstage Whiskey by Darius Rucker that I mentioned in a previous video that I will link in the cards for you guys, or on this side. I'll link it in the cards. So be sure to check that out, and let's just get into the drink. So for an old fashioned, you typically use a sugar cube. I'm just going to use regular ground sugar, and I'm going to put in about a bar spoon. So next I'm going to add in a bar spoon of water. Then I'm going to put in 2 to 3 dashes of bitters. So typically when you have a sugar cube, you muddle everything in together to get the sugar and the bitters to combine in flavors. I don't have a sugar cube, so I'm just going to muddle it just a little bit since the sugar's already ground. Next, I'm going to add in my whiskey stone that I'm going to be using today. These whiskey stones allow you to keep your drink cool without watering it down, which is something you really don't want when you're making an old fashioned. So like I said before, this drink is very alcohol forward. So the last ingredient is just your 2 ounces of whiskey. So usually with old fashions, you expel the oils from a citrus peel and then drop it in to give it that hint of citrus. For an old fashioned, you can use oranges or lemons. I've seen it done. So today I'm going to be using a lemon. So here I have my lemon skin, or the lemon peel. I'm just going to twist it over the drink to expel the oils, wrap it around, drop it in. Also, no old fashioned is complete without the bourbon soaked cherries, so I'm going to add in 2 because I love them. And I just like to take the stems off of mine, so I'm going to add in 2. Alright, so there we have the classic old fashioned. If you give this a try, be sure to tag me on Instagram at the Tipsy Doc, or leave a comment down below. As always, I'll leave the recipe in the description box. Be sure to tune in next week for another video, and cheers!